who is going to have an automatic qualification for the Champions League. So we're going to check the table standing. Which team is going to have automatic qualification for the Champions League? So we can't Liverpool, they have the automatic qualification because they have almost 21 points. Barcelona also have automatic qualification. Also Barcelona also is there. Arsenal also have the automatic qualification. Arsenal also is there. So let's see the other teams that have automatic qualification. So Inter Milan also have automatic qualification. Atletico Madrid also have automatic qualification. And also AC Milan also is going to have an automatic qualification. So these are the teams that possibility they are going to have the automatic qualification. So the likes of Atletico Madrid and these other teams, they are on 15 points. So that means they are likelihood of making it top 8. So that is the automatic qualification. So this year Champions League is very fascinating. So the teams that are struggling to be in this automatic qualification are Juventus, Real Madrid, PSG, Manchester City. So these are the teams that are struggling to be in this automatic qualification. The case of Man City, those who are right now, they were in a relegation zone. So they need to win a game so that they will not be relegated. So it was a very interesting Champions League format this year. I think this year Champions League format is one of the best Champions League formats we have ever seen in Europe. Because in those days, we know how the Champions League format looked like. They will take the big teams or the two big teams in one group and add the two mediocre teams. So those teams, they don't have chance of qualifying. We all know that exactly these are the teams that are going to qualify in this group. These are the teams that are going to qualify in this group. But this time it's totally changed. You are playing with all the 8 teams. So many teams are in danger of being relegated or being in the automatic 8 zone. So this is a very fascinating team. So can Real Madrid also qualify for the round of 8? Can they be in automatic zone? Can they qualify for the teams that are automatically qualified for 8? So this is the problem. Can Real Madrid do that one? PSG also is having the same thing. So Bayern Munich also having the same thing. They were also struggling also to be in this automatic qualification. So the teams from automatic qualification from 1 to 8, those are the teams that are qualifying automatically. So from 8 going on to 24, they are going in for qualifier round. So that from 8 to 24, they will play a qualifier round. So 8 team will qualify there. So that 8 team is going to add to the teams that are qualified automatically to make it round of 16. So it was a very interesting game. So to my prediction, teams that are going to make this round of 8 is Arsenal will make it. Real Madrid is going to make it. Inter Milan is going to make it. Barcelona is going to make it. Atletico Madrid is going to make it. AC Milan is going to make it. Atlanta, I am not so of Atlanta, but I'm so of Leverkusen also is going to make it. And also Bayern Munich also is going to make it. So these are my top 8 teams that are going to make automatic qualification. So I rule Atlanta. Atlanta cannot make it despite that they have 15 points. Still now teams are there. When they win, they are going to be the same point with them. And goal difference, they have more goal difference stand than them. So they have a limited chance. Despite that Lookman was injured. They are big player. Lookman was injured. So it's going to be a very fascinating Champions League format. So it's a very interesting Champions League format. So tomorrow they were all kicking at the same time. All the Champions League games are kicking at the same time. So the biggest one is Manchester City at Etihad Stadium. City are in relegation zone. So tomorrow when Club Brugge beat them, that means they were relegated. They were out of the Champions League until next year. So I think Pep Guardiola and his team, so Pep Guardiola made it very clear that they will try to make sure that they qualified for the Champions League. He made that one very clear. So we're going to see which team is going to make the top 8 and which team is going for the qualifier round and which team also is relegated. So it's a very fascinating game. So the biggest team that are on a threat now to be relegated is Manchester City. So the biggest team also that are on course of making the automatical qualifier, that means the top 8, are PSG, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid. These are the teams that are trying to get into this 8 spot. So it is very interesting Champions League format. I think this is the best Champions League format in Europe. So we have ever witnessed with. So small team, they have advantage when they are playing with the same teams that you know that they were in the same standard. So they collect a point there. So they have a lot of advantage in this Champions League format. That's why this year many big teams are struggling. So the games are many, and also they don't used to this kind of format. So it is in advantage of the small teams. That's why they were all doing very well in this Champions League format. So it's a very nice. So tomorrow we are waiting and we are looking forward to this. Which team is going to make for the top 8, and which team is going for the qualifier round, and which team is going to be relegated. So let's have our say here. We see which team is going to be qualified for the round of 8, and which team is going to be going for the qualifier round, and which team is going for